Hi guys, I am Queen Pepper Chips and this is my mother-in-law.
Hi guys, I'm Savannah.
Today we're doing passion fruit mukbang.
Yay!
Okay.
I got all the homegrown passion fruit. Be careful, that knife is sharp. So we cut in half.
I cut it a different way.
This is how it look.
Look at that. I'm excited.
The seed give a crunch.
Wow.
You know, when I was a child, my mom or the older people used to tell me, if you eat the seed, it will grow in your stomach. And I never sleep that night.
I heard that too. But it's not true, right?
Not true. Don't ever tell your kid that.
I think the grown-up only say that because they can have more for themselves.
These are kind of slightly sour and sweet.
If you ever had like sweet tart, it tastes exactly like that with the crunch.
And it has a nice fragrance, like passion fruit fragrance.
It's so delicious. Try this.
So this also good for making passion fruit tea or passion fruit ice cream.
Or a drink too.
Yeah. So good. This big one is sour. So if the skin is wrinkled like this, like my face, it is sweet.
Did you just say wrinkle like your face?
If
Dead.
the skin looks smooth like a young person, it
Me?
is sour.
Like a young person.
So remember, don't ever judge from the outside, okay?
The wrinkled, the better. Dead. Moral of the story, get with an old lady. Wow. I think the sour one would be really good with that. Let me try it.
Chili and shrimp, dry shrimp.
Oh, it's more like yellower, like the smooth ones. Let me see. Gotta get all up in there. Let me try.
Is it sour?
Yeah. It's really sour. Ooh.
Good, huh?
Yeah. That's delicious. Oh. Sour. Yeah.
Yeah, I save this big one for you. The
Okay.
smooth skin.
I don't want smooth one. I want wrinkly.